Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek. How you doing out there today? Welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. Often I meet a lot of new investors, and these new investors want to jump right in and do a deal. They often watch all of these fun shows and think, wouldn't it be great to do a buy, fix, and flip? Then I say to them, buy, fix, and flip can be very profitable, but have you ever done one before? More often than not, they say no. Second thing I'll ask them, do you have cash or access to cash in order to do the buy, fix, and flip? And they'll often say no. So here's the thing. Sometimes you may want to do something in real estate, but you do not yet have the expertise, or do you not yet have maybe the funds, the money, or access to the money. If you don't, you got to look at things that you can do to make money and gain experience in real estate. So what I'll tell you to do is think about wholesaling. What is wholesaling? Anywhere you go today and you buy something, a store is usually buying something at a cheaper wholesale price, and they're selling that to the public at a retail price. The difference between the wholesale and the retail is covering their overhead as well as hopefully making a profit. In the housing market or real estate market, it's pretty much the same. Instead of paying full retail price for a property, you're looking at getting great deals paying a wholesale price. So if you want to get into real estate, can you do it with limited experience? You can. Can you do it with limited money? You absolutely can. What can you do? You can think about wholesaling. Now you might say, well, Joe, how does wholesaling work? There are different ways you can wholesale, and I'll go into that in a couple other videos coming up, but I just want to explain it to you. You're out there looking for great deals within your local area, no matter where you live. If you can find great deals, can you profit from those great deals that you can find? Absolutely. I'll do another video elaborating on how to find great deals, but step one is find great deals, and step two is find buyers that really like those areas and want those deals. Now, some people find the deal and look for the buyer. Some people find the buyer and look for the deal. I would say start out number one, finding cash buyers. And once you find those cash buyers, then go out there and find the deal that those cash buyers want. Now, if a great deal just happens to fall in your lap and you say, wow, this is a really good deal at a really good price, I think I can make this work, I would move forward with that deal and then work really hard to find a cash buyer. So I want all of you out there, if you're thinking about real estate and maybe you don't have the experience or you don't have the money, to think about wholesaling. And what I want you to do is watch the rest of my videos, because I'll break down everything that you want to know. And if there is something you want to know or something that's not covered, by all means, please leave, a note or message below. And always don't forget to give the thumbs up. I like to know that hopefully people are learning and enjoying the videos, and I'm always open to do new and additional topics. So I wish you luck with real estate investing. You can make your dreams a reality. Go make it a great day. Take care, everybody. Till next time, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.